Okay, here we are with the next type. It's a 2.5, it's an SE, and it's in metallic grey. So we'll do the usual thing. We'll start from the offside front. Offside front wheel has just got a few little tiny marks on it. Tyre depth is fine, 4mm plus. Moving down the offside, a couple of very light scratches just on the edge of the door, nothing too sort of dramatic. And the same on the rear door as well. There's a couple of little stone chips, nothing sort of too dramatic. The rear wheel has got a slight little, could just do with refurb if it was very critical. Tyre depth is about 4mm, so that looks okay. Moving round to the back, everything's okay. A couple of light scratches just on the top of the boot lid, the boot bumper rather. And there's a slight crease on the rear bumper, just where it's been reversed into something. Moving around to the near side rear wheel arch has got some bubbling up, and there's a slight scuff just on the bottom edge of the door where it meets the rear wing. Moving down the near side, if I look at the near side rear door, just at the top by the glass, the paint's come off, and at the top of the door and the top of the passenger door, whether it's had a roof rack on or something, it's just worn it away, I really don't know, but there we go. A few light stone chips just on the edge of the near side front door. Near side front wheel has just got the odd little mark on it. Tyre depth are fine. Moving round to the front, a few light stone chips just on the front edge of the bonnet, nothing sort of too dramatic, just the odd little stone chip. And there's a slight scuff on the bottom edge of the offside front bumper. Nothing to get too wound up about. Interior of the back all looks good. We've only got one key with the car. Probably sleep. Air conditioning is working absolutely fine. Got a Parrot and telephone system on it. No warning lights on the car, it shouldn't be on. All in all, not a bad little package for its money.